Welcome, money enthusiasts, to an episode that'll change your financial game. This is the ultimate guide to building wealth from scratch. We'll uncover hidden truths about money, conquer challenges, and reveal powerful strategies. By the end, you'll have the tools to kickstart your financial transformation. First up, the untold truth about money. It's not just numbers, it's about emotions and how they influence us. Ever made an impulse buy and regretted it? That's your emotions at play. Money's like a companion, sometimes supportive, sometimes elusive. Understanding this emotional connection empowers you to make smarter choices. Next, let's explore who really controls our money systems. Governments and banks play a part, but central banks hold immense power. They control money supply, interest rates, and overall economic stability. It's a balancing act between growth and preventing financial chaos. Now, let's debunk a big myth. Money can buy happiness to a certain extent. It's not about endless riches, but financial security and freedom. Money enables experiences that contribute to happiness, providing for family, pursuing passions, exploring the world. It's about balance, not excess. Now, the two keys to wealth: debt and taxes. The rich get richer, partly because of how taxes work. Warren Buffett pays less tax than his secretary, even though he's way richer. It's about different types of income being taxed differently. Salary is taxed high, investments are taxed low, or not at all if you don't sell. The rich borrow money to invest, using your savings as collateral. They make profits, pay little tax, while you pay the most. It's not fair, but it's legal, and it's a wealth secret they don't teach you in school. Next, the foundation of wealth creation. It's like building a sandcastle, step by step, not just slapping on sand. First, conquer your mindset. That voice saying, "you can't," needs to go. Your mind is a garden. Weed out self-doubt, plant seeds of confidence. Set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Think GPS for your life, not just vague dreams. Learn from the greats. Warren Buffett says, "The more you learn, the more you earn." Now, a controversial truth. Many successful people dropped out of college. Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, Oprah. They didn't finish school but built empires. We're not saying quit school, but it doesn't teach you everything about money. School prepares you to work for someone else, not to be the boss. Think of the rich who didn't have traditional jobs. Simon Cowell, Deborah Meaden, Walt Disney. They quit or got fired, then built their own dreams. It's not magic, it's logic. They make money work for them, not the other way around. The rich don't chase money, they attract it. Riddle me this. What's a group of millionaires called? A yacht club. Surround yourself with inspiring people. They might have the secret formula. Next, overcoming challenges. We live in a world of instant gratification, but that can sabotage your future. Choosing short-term pleasure over long-term goals keeps you stuck. Imagine if Edison quit after one failed light bulb. No electricity. Every failure is a lesson, a step closer to success. Persistence and resilience are your superpowers. Channel your inner Rocky Balboa. Fight back against setbacks. Life gives you lemons? Build a lemonade empire. Delayed gratification is the plot twist that leads to your happy ending. Embracing failure is the director's cut, making your story even better. Next, long-term wealth preservation. You've built your wealth. Now make it last for generations. Estate planning isn't just for the super rich, it's about your legacy. Wills, trusts, clear instructions. It's like a letter to your future family. Minimize confusion. Ensure your wishes are carried out. It's not just about money, it's about your values and the impact you want to make. Update your plan as life changes, like fine-tuning an instrument. Estate planning professionals are your guides, helping you navigate the complexities. Craft a melody that resonates through time, not just a financial transaction. 6 strategies for building wealth. These are the building blocks, mix and match to fit your dreams. First up, entrepreneurship and business ventures. Ever had an idea that could fill a gap in the market? That's entrepreneurship. It's about spotting opportunities, creating solutions, building something new. But it takes more than an idea. You need a business plan, your roadmap to success. Scaling up is the next level, turning your spark into a wildfire. Your unique value proposition is what sets you apart, your secret sauce. Entrepreneurship is a roller coaster, not a smooth ride. Resilience is key, bouncing back from setbacks stronger than before. It's about turning your vision into reality, from spark to flame. Who's ready to build their dream? Next, investing wisely. It's like choosing pizza toppings. Find the perfect blend for you. Stocks, bonds, real estate, diversify your plate. Even Warren Buffett started small. Patience is key. Peter Lynch, invest in what you understand, like picking your favorite products. Will Rogers, don't gamble, buy good stock and hold it. It's the long game, not a quick win. Next, innovative technology and startups. The internet was once a wild idea. Now it's everywhere. That's the power of startups. Dreaming big, disrupting norms. AI, blockchain, renewables, these are changing the world. Be part of the next big thing. Invest in startups early. It's not just about the tech, it's about the impact. You don't need to be a tech genius, just have an eye for potential. The startup world is where dreams meet technology. The next unicorn might be a click away. Stay tuned. Next, real estate ventures. Property isn't just about walls, it's about building wealth. Flipping, renting, commercial properties, all can generate income. Buy low, improve, sell high, or rent for steady cash flow. Understand the market, know the rules, and make smart moves. Robert Kiyosaki, real estate can be your ticket to financial freedom. It's about owning your destiny, not just a house. Turn those property dreams into reality. Next, personal branding and content creation. In the digital age, your personal brand is your asset. You're not just a consumer, you're a creator, an influencer. Share your passions, expertise, and story with the world. Your content is your currency, attracting opportunities and income. Podcasts, videos, blogs, build your brand, build your wealth. It's not about being perfect, it's about being authentic. Technology makes it easy. All you need is a smartphone and an idea. Leave your mark, make your voice heard, turn your content into a valuable asset. Finally, education and skill development. It's your secret treasure map to success. The world is changing fast. Keep up by learning new things. Online courses, workshops, mentors, unlock new islands of expertise. Gain practical skills, turn them into income. Mentorship is like having a personal guide through the business jungle. Learning isn't just for school, it's a lifelong adventure. Invest in yourself, supercharge your career, or start a new one. The next chapter of your success story might be one click away. As we wrap up, remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. You've got the knowledge, the mindset, and the strategies. Every step brings you closer to your dream. Keep learning, keep growing, keep aiming for that financial horizon. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Need to keep your screen looking busy? Sign up for our free email newsletter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notifications for more 5-minute fixes.